All right, time to make pumpkin bread. Are you ready to make it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not trying.
You're on a bus ride?
Yeah. Oh my God, beach.
Yeah.
We're going to the beach.
You're going to the beach.
Bye.
All right, first we need to go ahead and get the flour.
Shower.
Yep, we gotta put flour in it.
Bye. I go beach.
Whoa, can you get the bowl?
I'll go all the way down there.
Oh, did you go all the way down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, with the bowl?
We'll go all the way down
Okay,
there.
so we need to get 1 cup of flour.
Go make it in my plate.
Yep.
Do it. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it in my mouth.
You're gonna eat it in your mouth? Oh my.
Go get big.
You're gonna get big?
Yeah.
From eating lots of pumpkin bread?
Yeah.
Okay, there's 1 cup of flour. Can you say 1 cup of flour?
1 cup of flour.
All right, pour it in. Good job. All right, can I have the cup back? Thank you.
Cool. Ooh, it's yummy.
No touching it.
Oh, it's cool. White. Go white. White. With a cup.
There's a cup. Now we gotta get some brown sugar. We
Thanks.
put in 1 cup of brown sugar.
Let's see. Go get big. A sugar. Go make it.
The sugar's gonna make it good.
Broccoli.
Broccoli? No, there's no broccoli in pumpkin bread. There's sugar.
Sugar.
All right, there's 1 cup sugar. Go ahead and pour it in.
Whoa! Big.
All right. Okay, what do we put in next? No touching. Okay, no touching it. We're so excited.
Mr. Size.
All right, next up.
Dimmy.
we have to put in
Hello.
1 tablespoon of baking powder.
My door is making
Yeah, Mommy.
the out. Even booty.
What's going on over here? No looking at. No looking at.
Good.
Is it so good?
Too good.
Okay, we found the baking powder. Woo! Here's the bowl. We need. No touching. No touching. Are you excited? Are you excited? We need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Hang on.
I'm gonna pour it.
Are you holding the bowl?
No, it's one more. Yeah. It's cool. I want. Thanks.
Here, hang on. I gotta pour it in there. There's not much baking powder left in here. All right, there we go. And pour it in. Pour it in. Good work, wasn't it? All right.
Go do it.
Flour in there. There we go.
Go
Okay.
make it.
What do we put in next?
No.
What do you think?
No.
We put in a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Do you like cinnamon?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do?
What are you doing?
Here's the cinnamon.
More for it.
you want to put that in?
Chocolate.
It's cinnamon.
Chocolate.
It's brown like chocolate, isn't it?
Brown.
Brown like chocolate. All right, what goes next? Are you excited?
Mama, I'm monkey cake.
Hey, no touching. All right, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Can you pour it in? Good work.
So.
All right, what comes next? No touching, no touching. Do you want a spoon?
Spoon, please.
You want a spoon, please?
Oh, yeah. I don't like it. I like it.
All right, let's do some stirring.
Mine.
All right, stir. Gentle, be careful. This is the baking soda. Can you say baking soda? All right, here's a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. You put that in.
2 spoons. Besides.
No, not with your hands, just with the spoon.
Sauce.
An 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves. All right, and you put it in.
For 2. Inside.
You're excited?
I'll put inside.
All right.
Done. Not see it.
All right. No, don't lick it. Don't lick it. That's flour. All right. Are you ready for 1 can of pumpkin?
The pumpkin.
What color is the pumpkin?
Pumpkin orange.
It is. It's orange.
The big.
Do you like pumpkins?
No pumpkins.
Do you like pumpkin bread? Oh, bless you.
But blowing.
Did you blow on it with your sneeze? All right, there we go.
We'll do it.
All right, stir it. Add the milk in. Hang on. Like this. Good job. All right, keep stirring.
Thanks.
Are you touching the egg yolk? All right, stir them up. Stir them up. Butter coming. Or 1/3 cup.
We'll go do 2, Mama.
Okay.
Mama, something. Yay! Maybe some butter again.
All right, no touching. Oops. Oh, we sprayed it. We gotta go clean that now. All right.
1, 2.
Here comes the tray.
The same.
All right.
Confetti. stinks.
Yeah, you're welcome. You gotta stir it in.
Choo.
Here's the train.
Train. Yes. Choo. Train. Train. Cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Choo. Train. Choo. Train. There. Choo. Train.
Are you ready for the loaf pan?
I'll go loose.
I think it's on here.
Mommy, done? Done?
We're almost done.
Oh, we're done.
Here we go. This is where we make it. Are you ready to butter it?
Let's see.
Yeah, butter it.
Zakkary, that's special helper.
You could use coconut oil.
Butter. I'm gonna rub it in there.
What butter go?
Here's the butter. All right, you're gonna take your fingers and rub it in there. All right, rub it in. No, we can still rub it in. Keep rubbing. All right, you hold the pan for Mama, and Mama's gonna pour it in, okay?
Go put it in there.
Yeah,
Go
pour it in there.
put it in that place.
Pour it in there, please.
Please.
Please. Oh, hang on. Mommy will do it.
Put it in there.
All right. Help Mama. What is it?
Oh, I'll grab it.
You want to grab it? Okay, can you smooth it out for me? Smooth the top out. Oh. Can you smooth it? Look like this. Like this. Let Mama see. Look, see? You go like this on the top and make it smooth. See? All right. I think it's all done. We're ready to put it in the oven.
Look at you, that pumpkin bread.
Yeah.
Is that my plate? Is that my plate, Mama?
Yeah. All right. So we cooked the pumpkin bread for 65 minutes at 350 degrees.
Whoa.
Wow.
Mama,
Okay. And taste test. Is it good? What do you think? Does it taste good?
good.
Do you like it?
I like it.
All right, pumpkin bread is a success.